Dr. Sharad, Dr. Deepak, Dr. Ramesh, and all the national and international faculty, delegates, ladies and gentlemen. Well, as Dr. Sharad said, yesterday afternoon he called me and said, "Sir, can you come for the inauguration?" But as I said, this department I feel as is my own, so I can't refuse that. So with such a short notice, I decided to come. And it's really a privilege for me to inaugurating this important conference on pain and neuromodulation. And I must congratulate Dr. Sharad and Dr. Deepak and his team for organizing such a conference and bringing national and international experts in this field to provide a platform for interdisciplinary discussions. Now, pain, as we all understand, is not merely a symptom, as Dr. Milind was talking about, but it is a complex personal experience that affects the millions across the globe. And despite the remarkable advances, chronic pain continues to be a challenge to healthcare providers. A chronic pain impacts not only of well-being of a patient, but also emotional health, productivity, and quality of life of an individual. Now, as I was listening to Milind, the management of pain is a multidisciplinary task, and it involves neurosurgeons, anesthetists, neurologists, psychiatrists, psychologists, physiotherapists, and also the biomedical engineers. The neuromodulation has been in practice in past, especially after the gate control theory was introduced in 1965. And I know Dr. Sani, who was our neuroanesthetist, he was doing very regularly the rhizotomy, trigeminal, for glycerol injection he was making of his own, and he had very excellent results in the trigeminal neuralgia. With the advancement in technology, the neuromodulation represents a beacon of hope by harnessing the power of targeted electrical, chemical, and biological interventions. We are redefining how pain can be understood and treated. What was once considered as a refractory or untreatable is now being approached with a precision and a promise. And I'm confident that there will be rich discussions, meaningful exchanges between the delegates and the experts. And I wish the conference is a great success and hope all of you will have very enriching and inspiring experience. Thank you.